we are not going to be using mousse this time. I'm telling you, no mousse is going to be used, no glue is going to be used, period. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company, and I'm here for it, guys. I am so excited because this wig is super glueless. I did not have to put on mousse or glue, or you know what, the only thing that I did was just to cut the lace and really curl this part of the hair, because child, this hair came pre-plucked, pre-curled, pre-styled. Okay, it is a C-part wig situation. As y'all can see here, the parting is nice and pre-bleached. I am super excited, you guys. I'm loving myself. I'm loving this wig so much. I keep on looking at myself because honey, I'm looking gorgeous. I love this wig so much. The curls are nice and bouncy. The hair is super nice and soft. Okay, look at that. When I move, guys, the wig moves. Whenever I walk, the wig walks with me. All right, when we talk about quality, okay, then the wig is nice and bouncy. It is shiny as well. Okay, so I'm really excited for you guys to see how I styled this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. So do check the description box for more information. Of course, I have a discount code for you guys. It is Manaso 23, and you're going to get yourself some coins off. Okay, all right, I got you. Y'all know that I got you. So yeah, this is a beginner friendly wig, and baby, we're looking really scrumptious. Okay, so I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. So this is their box. It is purple and gold. I love it so much. I always say this, but I really mean it, you guys. So I'm going to show you what is inside. The first thing that you're gonna get is this Luvme Hair wig storage bag. I'm obsessed with this. It is actually branded. Okay, quality. So they were kind enough to send me 2 wig caps. A girl can never have too many wig caps, girl. Okay, they sent me this edge brush, and it also has a little comb over here. They sent me 2 beautiful hoops. I'm obsessed. A makeup bag. This makeup bag is actually branded. It is written Luvme Hair Affordable Luxury Wig. They also sent me this headband to lay your edges, and I'm really obsessed. It is of great quality as well. So let me show you the wig. This is actually a C-part wig. Ooh, love it. It is so soft, you guys. It is really soft. The curls, okay, the wig is pre-curled, period. All right, so let me show you the curls. This is how the wig looks. This is a very shiny wig. Can you guys see that? It is nice, shiny and bouncy. I'm really obsessed. Look at the quality of the hair. It is a C-part wig, as y'all can see. It also has an extra band and 2 adjustable belts over here. I'm really excited to try this wig. I'm definitely not going to be using glue. We are definitely doing a glueless installation. All right, I'm excited guys. I love it. Look at the parting over here. Look at that. Look at the parting. How gorgeous is that? This looks super natural. Okay, I'm happy. Okay, I'm happy to try this wig on. So let's get straight into today's video.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low.
Guys, immediately I'm obsessed with the fit. It fits like a glove. So this is going to be really good for a glueless installation, baby. Okay, like literally, guys, look, this wig is not going anywhere. It fits perfectly. I'm in love with that. Look at the hairline. Look at the parting, guys. The parting is doing what it's supposed to be doing. I really don't want to do much to this wig so that you know exactly what I mean when I say this wig is beginner friendly. Okay, it is already curled for you, baby. the curls are there. So the only thing that I want to do right now, let's get rid of this extra lace. I know you didn't even see the lace, okay, because it blends very well with my skin tone, period. Okay, like let's talk about invisible. Okay, this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm really obsessed, you guys. So let me cut the lace and we will take it from there.
I'll work it up again, stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm live.
Guys, guys, can you see what I'm seeing though? Can you see what I'm seeing? This is the lace. This is the lace. And where's the lace here? I'm so happy. Yo, guys, I'm really happy. I'm looking at myself in the mirror, guys. I have a mirror here. And I'm just like, girl. This is what I mean when I say, do check the description box, you guys. Get yourself this wig, okay? Get yourself this wig. I also have a discount code. For you guys. It is Manaso 23, and get yourself some coins off and get yourself this wig. This is beginner friendly, guys. The only thing that I did was just to cut the lace. I think y'all can see I did not do much. I just wore the wig. I'm cutting the lace right now and it is looking absolutely gorgeous. Okay, it is looking. We are not going to be using mousse this time. I'm telling you, no mousse is going to be used, no glue is going to be used, period.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, you deserve a better man, but let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, 'cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, 'cause we're still sleeping in my head.
Guys, I'm really loving this long bob situation. I don't want to curl this wig. Okay, it came like this. I don't want to curl it any further. Let me just comb this curls. Look at the bounciness of the curls. Wow. Okay, so I feel like I am loving this so much. I'm really loving the waves kind of situation. The curls are not too tight, if you know what I mean.
I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, 'cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, 'cause we're still sleeping in my head.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. Please do not forget to check the description down below for direct links if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous hair from Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye.